Welcome back to the Unfolded English Podcast. I am your host, Lucy.
And I am your host, Alex. Hi, everyone.
Alex, imagine you are walking your dog in the park near your home. The weather is nice. You see a neighbor. You see them often, but you never really talk. Today, your dogs start playing together. What do you say?
That is a good question. I want to be friendly, but I am not sure how to start the conversation.
Many people feel that way. Talking to neighbors is a great way to practice English. The conversations are usually short and simple.
Okay, good. So I am at the park. My dog is with me. The other person's dog comes near. What do I say first?
You can start with something simple. Just smile and say, "Hi, nice day for a walk, isn't it?"
Hi, nice day for a walk, isn't it? That is easy. It is not too personal. It is just about the weather.
Exactly. Talking about the weather is always safe. Then the other person will probably say, "Yes, it is beautiful today."
Okay, then what? My dog is playing with their dog.
You can say something about the dogs. For example, "Your dog is so friendly. What is its name?"
Your dog is so friendly. What is its name? That is a natural question. People love to talk about their pets.
Yes, they do. They will tell you the name. Then you can say, "This is my dog, Max. He loves to play."
So I introduce my dog. Then they might ask about Max, like, how old is Max?
Right. You can answer, "He is 3 years old. And yours?"
He is 3 years old. And yours? That is a good way to keep the conversation going.
Yes. Then they will tell you about their dog. Maybe they say, "Mine is 5. She is a Labrador."
Oh, so they tell me the breed. I can say, she is beautiful. Labradors are very friendly dogs.
Perfect. You give a compliment. People like compliments. Then you can ask another question.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, that is a good question. They might say, "Yes, we come here almost every day." Or, "No, we are just passing through."
If they come every day, maybe I will see them again. That is nice.
Exactly. You are building a small connection with your neighbor.
Okay, so we talk about the dogs and the park. What if I want to end the conversation?
Well, I should get going. It was nice talking to you.
Well, I should get going. It was nice talking to you. That is polite. Then they will say something similar.
Yes, they might say, "You too, have a good day." And you say, "Thanks, you too."
So the whole conversation is very simple. Start with weather, talk about the dogs, then say goodbye.
Right. Let's practice a full conversation together.
Okay, great. You be the neighbor. I will be myself with my dog Max.
Okay, here we go. I am walking my dog. Our dogs start playing. I smile at you.
Aye, nice day for a walk, isn't it?
Yes, it is beautiful today. Your dog is so friendly. What is its name?
This is Max. He loves to play. How about yours?
Her name is Luna. She is a Labrador.
She is beautiful. Labradors are very friendly dogs. How old is Luna?
She is 5 years old. And Max?
He is 3. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, we come here almost every day. Luna loves the fresh air.
That is nice. Maybe we will see you again.
I hope so. Well, I should get going. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day.
Thanks. You too. Bye.
That was perfect. I felt like I was really at the park.
You did great. Now let's talk about other things you might say in this situation.
Okay. What if the other person's dog is very big and mine is small?
Good question. You might feel a little worried. You can say, "Is your dog friendly with small dogs?"
Is your dog friendly with small dogs? That is a good question. It shows you care about safety.
Yes, they will understand. They might say, "Yes, she is very gentle," or they might say, be careful, he can be a little rough.
So if they say be careful, I can keep my dog close to me.
Right. You can say, "Okay, thank you for telling me." Then you move your dog a little away.
Okay, thank you for telling me. That is polite. It shows you appreciate their honesty.
Exactly. Now, what if you see the same neighbor many times? You want to be friendly, but you don't want to say the same things every day.
That is a good point. What can I say the second or third time I see them?
You can still talk about the weather, but add something new. For example, "Hi again. How is your week going?"
Hi again. How is your week going?
Yes. Or you can say, "I saw it might rain later. Good thing we came early."
So I connect the weather to our situation. I saw it might rain later. Good thing we came early. That is natural.
Right. You can also ask about their dog. "How is Luna today? She looks full of energy."
How is Luna today? She looks full of energy. That shows I remember the dog's name. People like that.
Yes, remembering a name is very important. It makes people feel special.
Okay, I will try to remember names. What if I forget their dog's name?
That happens. You can say, "I am sorry, I forgot your dog's name. Can you tell me again?"
I am sorry, I forgot your dog's name. Can you tell me again? That is polite. They will not be angry.
No, they will understand. Everyone forgets sometimes.
Okay, good. Now, what if I want to invite them to walk together sometime?
That is a nice idea. You can say, "We usually walk here around this time. If you see us, feel free to join."
We usually walk here around this time. If you see us, feel free to join.
Yes, it leaves the choice to them. They can join if they want.
What if they say, that would be nice?
Great, I will look for you. Now you have a little plan.
Okay, that is helpful. Let's practice some more sentences.
Hi, nice day for a walk, isn't it?
Yes, that is perfect. You can also say, your dog is really cute.
Right. Your dog is really cute. That is always a nice thing to say.
What about asking the dog's name? What is your dog's name?
Yes. Or you can say, "What do you call your dog?"
What do you call your dog? That is another way to ask.
That is a lovely name.
That is a lovely name. That is a nice compliment.
Well, nice talking to you. Have a great day.
Well, nice talking to you. Have a great day.
Now, let's do a quick recap of 3 easy sentences from today.
Good idea. What is the first one?
Hi, nice day for a walk, isn't it?
That is for starting the conversation. Second sentence?
What is your dog's name?
That is for getting to know them. And the third sentence?
Well, it was nice talking to you. Have a good day.
Those 3 sentences will help you in any conversation with a neighbor at the park.
And remember, you can change the words. Dog can be cat if you see someone walking a cat, but that is less common.
True, mostly dogs. But the sentences are the same. You learn the pattern, then you change the words.
Exactly. Now, what if you don't have a dog? What if you are just walking in the park and you see a neighbor with a dog?
Oh, that is a good question. I don't have a dog. Can I still talk to them?
Of course, you can say, "Hi, what a beautiful dog. Can I pet him?"
Hi, what a beautiful dog. Can I pet him? That is polite. You ask first.
Yes, always ask before you pet a dog. Some dogs are shy or nervous.
Right, so I ask, then they will say yes or no. If they say yes, I can pet the dog.
Then you can say, "He is so soft. What is his name?" The conversation starts the same way.
Okay, so I don't need a dog to talk to someone with a dog. I just use the dog as a reason to say hello.
Exactly. The dog is like a bridge. It connects people.
That is nice. Dogs help people make friends.
Yes, they do. Now let's practice one more conversation. This time, you don't have a dog. You see me with Luna.
Okay, I am walking in the park. I see you with Luna. I smile.
Hi there.
Hi, what a beautiful dog. Can I pet her?
Sure, she loves people. She is very friendly.
She is so soft. What is her name?
Her name is Luna.
That is a lovely name. How old is Luna?
She is 5 years old.
She looks very happy. Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every day. Luna needs her exercise.
That is nice. Well, I should keep walking. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too. Bye.
Perfect. That was a great conversation. You did everything right.
It felt natural. The sentences were easy to remember.
That is the goal. Real-life English is often very simple. You don't need big words.
So my job is to learn these simple sentences and use them with confidence.
Yes, and if you make a mistake, it is okay. People will still understand you.
That is good to hear. I think many learners worry too much about perfect grammar.
They do, but in casual conversations with neighbors, no one checks your grammar. They just want to be friendly.
So smile, use the simple sentences, and enjoy the conversation.
Exactly. Now, let's think about other things you might talk about with a neighbor at the park.
Like the weather, we already talked about that.
Yes, you can also talk about the park itself. This park is so nice and clean.
This park is so nice and clean. That is a good observation.
Or you can say, the flowers are beautiful this time of year.
The flowers are beautiful this time of year. That is a nice thing to say.
You can also talk about your neighborhood. Do you live nearby?
Do you live nearby? That is a natural question. They might say yes and tell you which street.
Right. Then you can say, I live on Maple Street. Maybe we are neighbors.
I live on Maple Street. Maybe we are neighbors. That is friendly. It builds connection.
Yes, you are finding common ground. That is what conversations are about.
Okay, I feel more confident now. Let's do one more quick recap of the key sentences.
Hi, nice day for a walk, isn't it?
What is your dog's name?
Your dog is beautiful.
Do you come here often?
It was nice talking to you. Have a good day.
Those 5 sentences will help you in any conversation with a neighbor at the park.
Yes, and remember, you can mix them together. You don't have to use all of them. Just use what feels right.
So if I only say hi, nice day, and your dog is cute, that is enough?
Yes, that is enough. A short, friendly conversation is better than no conversation.
That is good to know. I don't have to talk for a long time.
No, you don't. A simple hello and a smile can make someone's day.
This was very helpful, Lucy. I think our listeners will feel more confident talking to neighbors now.
I hope so. That is our goal. We want you to feel comfortable speaking English in real life.
If today's conversation helped you feel more confident, please follow our podcast.
Yes, please follow us. When you follow, it helps our channel grow. Then we can help more people like you.
And when you listen often, your English improves little by little. Every episode teaches you new sentences for real life.
We are happy to practice with you every day. Keep listening and keep practicing.
You can do this. Talking to a neighbor in English is easy now.
Thank you for listening today. Have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you next time.
Bye for now.